Hi everyone, today we were on Sector A, really close to the shops, and I got a lovely Victoria style property to show you. So let's go in and check it out. Now this is the property. It is a one-bedroomed property and it has use of a community pool. Just at the end of that road, just around the corner, are the shops and bars and cafes. So let's go in and have a look around. So I have a few steps up here. And those steps lead to a lovely rooftop solarium. So just in here opens up to this lovely cool living space. And I say cool because it has got aircon in this property. Really very nice. Nice as a bolt hold here in Spain, or you could let it out, or if you're just single on your own, this may be ideal. Okay, just pan around for you. So it's quite ample space in here really. Just in here you have your galley kitchen. So you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got an electric oven and hob. It's all fully furnished except this fridge freezer will not be staying. Okay. Now in here you have electric boiler for your immersion. Okay. So really nice kitchen, nice granite effect worktops as well. Just in here is the bedroom. So nice, good size, large double bedroom. And it's nice, bright and airy in here. Just shut the door a minute. That is the lighting above. Really very pretty. Bit of bling. So I'll just go to the end of the room and just turn around. And as you can see, there is integrated wardrobes with overhead storage. It's really nice, good sized double bedroom, I have to say. And you have your door to your ensuite bathroom. So let's have a look in there. So just in here, you have got your sink and pedestal, your WC and your bath. Have a handrail on there on the tiles. It's all fully tiled from ceiling to floor, and you have your shower with your shower curtain. Okay, all done out in nice blue and black. Got a lovely mirror there, and this is a lovely property. It's pristine and ready to go. So it's key ready really, isn't it? Let me take you upstairs and we'll go up and have a look at the rooftop solarium. There is also a community pool with this, and the key comes with that as well. So I see you at the top, guys. So this is a lovely rooftop solarium where you can sit here, have some outside dining and just enjoy the sun. Sunbathe. You could put a hot tub up here if you didn't want to go down to the community pool. It's so close to the shops and bars, and it's in a great location. So if you're interested, don't forget to contact Dawn, the agent, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and check out our website for more photos. I will leave all the details and the website below. Here's a quick glimpse of the pool. You've got a children's part and an adult part as well.